All right. Well, I'm emailing your mom this paper to help you with the intro to Pachabel with both hands. Okay, so this video is to go along with the paper to explain everything. Okay, so what you have up here, where it says the right hand, these three notes are basically the right hand notes. Okay, they fall all the way across. And where you see in the left hand right here, where you see the 1 and the 5 for each note, that's your octaves that you're playing in your left hand. And so you notice right here in your left hand, it says play the octaves, the 1 and the 5, fingers 1 and 5 on the D. And I said for finger number 1, it's the octave below, and it's an octave below middle C. That's what I meant, okay? So if this is middle C, you're going to put finger number 1 on the D and number 5 on the octave below that, because the 5 says 2 octaves below middle C, okay? But in the right hand, your F sharp, your A, and your D, the F sharp is going to be the F sharp that's right above middle C. So if here's middle C, there's going to be your F sharp, okay? I drew arrows in the left hand to show you if you have to go up or down with the notes, okay? So when you're playing the left hand right here, where you have the D, and you're holding that for 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. You want to count that slow as you're doing it. If you look up here then, it says go up to get to the A. So you're just going to slide up like this. 2, 3, 4. Okay? And then the right hand, it says play the F sharp, A, and D right above middle C. So that's your thumb, second finger, and the D. These are beats 2, 3, and 4. So after you hit beat 1 with the low note, you're going to hold it and then go 2, 3, 4. I want you to see this pattern here because you're doing inverted chords, okay? You notice the second finger stays for the next chord over. What comes down? The first note comes down from an F sharp to an E. The top note comes from a D to a C sharp. So you're just going like this. Keep that second finger, bring the R2 down. Remember, you're in a key of D, you got 2 sharps, okay? But when you get to the third one, you're going to jump down 2 notes on the second finger. So you're going from the A to the F sharp. And you're going to keep the second finger there. And come down like that. Okay? Once again, from the F sharp, jump down 2 notes, and you come to D. From the F sharp to the D. The bottom note and the top note just keep coming down 1. Now keep that second finger right where it's at. And here's the weird one. Go back to the G. So keep that second finger there again. For the bottom part, for the last part there, it's going to stay for 3 chords. Your second finger, and then just slide right back up to the A for 1, 2, 5. So the last 2 chords are the oddballs. Okay? So if you can keep that in mind as you're doing these chords, it'll help you with playing the introduction of this. Okay? So that's why you'll see I underlined the second note in each of the chords. So the way it flows is this is beat 1, 2, 3, 4 as you're holding or sustaining the left hand. Okay? And you want to use your pedal, lift off when you get to the next chord. Okay? So I can't do it in the email, but if you want, you can actually mark a yellow highlighter over top of the A here, like a pink highlighter over top of the F sharps, so you remember to keep your fingers down in that position, and then go back to yellow again for the D's, and so on, okay? That way I actually help you remember to keep that finger down as you're doing it. And you notice the fingering, It goes 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 4. And remember I said the last two chords are kind of the oddball ones. So you got 1, 2, 5 and 1, 2, 5. So putting it all together, here it is. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I put a little retardando here to announce you're getting ready to go to the next section. And then right here, real slowly, I just kind of like roll these. Just like that. And then hold right out. Because you're getting ready to go to the next section.